Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Home for smart device setup with Nest. Full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Google Home device is powered on and connected to a Wi-Fi network. Download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. Open the Google Home app and sign in with your Google account if prompted. Tap on the plus icon located at the top left corner of the home screen. Select Setup Device from the drop-down menu. Choose New Device to start the setup process for your Nest device. Select your home from the list or create a new home if necessary. The app will search for nearby devices. Once your Nest device appears, tap on it to continue the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the Nest device to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted to establish the connection. Tap Connect once your device confirms it is connected to Wi-Fi. You may be asked to assign the device to a room, so select the appropriate room or create a new one. Next, link your Nest device with your Google account by following the app instructions. Once linked, you can customize settings as needed, such as voice recognition or preferences. Finally, test your Nest device by giving a simple voice command via Google Home. Your Google Home is now activated and ready for smart device setup. Enjoy controlling your Nest device with ease through your Google Home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.